Hi everyone, Amy Starr Allen here with amystarallen.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an Aweber or a Convert Kit form to the HBA Funnel Builder opt-in pages. And the tutorial that I'm going to give you for Aweber and Convert Kit is basically the same exact thing that you would do no matter what autoresponder you are using. I'm going to show you these two just so that you can see two different examples. But this funnel builder easily integrates with any autoresponder whatsoever using web forms. So if you're not using Aweber or Convert Kit, you can apply this knowledge to whatever email autoresponder provider you are using, and it'll be the same exact process. Okay, so here's a page that I am creating in the HBA Funnel Builder, and all that it needs now is a form, which the form is going to go right here. So first I'm going to create one in Aweber, and then I'll do one in ConvertKit. So I'm going to come into my Aweber account, create a sign-up form, and then you'll want to just choose, you can choose any sign-up form. It can be like a fancy looking one or whatever, but for my pages, I just like to use something simple. So I would use either something like this form that's here by default, or this simple one I like. I'll click Load Template. And then here's my form. So automatically, let me start by deleting the header. I don't want the header or the footer or the Powered by Aweber or any of that. You can keep whatever you want. Whatever you keep in the form will show up on your page. So here's my page again. So I just want you to see the page so you can see what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the form have white text so that it matches this. And I'm going to give it a transparent background so that, like right now, by default, it has a white background. So if you want a white box on here, you can leave that. I like the background of my column to be the background of my form. So I'm going to get rid of the background, make the text white, change the color of the button to match the other spots that I have this hot pink color on my page. I want the button to be that color. And so that's basically all I'm going to do. So right now it has a white background. You see here where it says background. I'm going to click on that and click this little box with the line through it to get rid of the background, make it transparent. So now I have a transparent background. And then I want to change the color of this button, and I want to change what it says. So I need to get the exact color that I have on my page to make the button match. So when I come over to my page, I'm going to come up here to this text, and if I click on background color, it shows me this pink color that I want to use for the color of my button. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it in. If I click on the button, you'll see the color comes up here. I'm going to paste this color in here and click OK. So you see it changed the color of my button. Now I want to change the text of the button. I want it to say, yes, send it to me, save, and there you go. And then I want this text to be white. So when I click on the text, right now it's black. I'm just going to slide this up till it's white. And then I just want to make this a little narrower. And save. So then I'm going to go to step 2 and name your form. And then for the thank you page, you just want to put in whatever thank you page. You can either leave it, just be the basic Aweber thank you page, or if you already have a thank you page that you want to take people to. In this case, I have a video that I send them to after they opt in. So I would come grab the video. Here's my thank you page. I'm just going to copy the address in the address bar for my thank you page. And then I'm just going to click custom page here and paste it in. I'm going to use the same thing, custom page, for my already subscribed page as well. And that's it. Save. Super, super simple. And then I'm going to go to step 3. In step 3, just click I will install my form, and it's automatically going to be on JavaScript here. So just grab the JavaScript. The nice thing about JavaScript is that it will automatically change your form on your page. When you're using JavaScript, if you don't like the way your form looks on your page, you can come back to Aweber and change it, and it'll automatically change it on your page once you put the code on your page. You don't have to change it on your page ever again, because it'll automatically change when you're using JavaScript. Just as a side note, if your opt-in page has a pop-up, you're going to do the same thing from Aweber, but you're going to want to use the raw HTML for pop-ups. The JavaScript doesn't work on the pop-ups. Okay, so anyway, I'm just going to copy this, and then here I am on my form. I'm just going to come over here to add a widget, scroll down to where it says code, drag the code in, and then I'm just going to paste the code in here. And that's it. I'm going to save changes and preview it. There you go. There's the form. Okay, so now I'm going to make a couple changes to my form. I'm going to change what this button says. I want it to say send me the guide. And I want to create a little bit of a margin on this page as well. Maybe get rid of the space here. So let me show you real quick what happens when I make a change in Aweber, how it will automatically change it on this page. So if I come back to design and I go to my form and I change this to yes, send me the guide, save form, watch what happens. See how it automatically changed it on my page? Super, super simple. So you just change it in Aweber and it automatically changes it. And then to create a little bit of a margin at the bottom, I'm just going to add a little bit of a spacer. So I'm just going to drag a spacer in here. And when you add a spacer, you can change the size of it. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to take this spacer out because I don't want that space up there. Save changes, preview. And so now you'll see it has a little bit of a margin on the bottom. You can see it in a new tab. It's looking good. So that's it. That's how you do it with Aweber. And now real quick, I'll show you how to do it with ConvertKit. It's the same exact thing, pretty much, just a different platform, so that if you're using something other than Aweber or ConvertKit, you'll just see it's basically the same process no matter what platform you're using. Okay, so I'm going to remove this code so that we can start over. And then I'm going to come over to ConvertKit. I'm in landing pages and forms. I'm going to click on new form, form, inline, and then I'm just going to choose this simple form here. Now ConvertKit will automatically resize your form to fit in the space that you're putting it. So you don't have to worry about anything about sizing. It also, this form automatically has a transparent background, so I don't need to worry about that at all. All I need to do is change the words on here and the color of the button. So again, I'm going to just grab the color. When I click on this text and go to background color, grab this code, hex code, come over to ConvertKit, paste it in, and then I just want to change this text to yes, send it to me, save, and then embed. This is up here, you can see it's JavaScript. I'm just going to click copy, and then I'm going to click add widget, code, drag the code in, paste the code in, save, and preview. And there you go. So super simple on both platforms. And also, just so you know, in ConvertKit, you can change these fields. You can change what they say. You can change the font color, border color, anything. Like, you just make your form look how you want it to look on your page here, and then you just put it on your page. And when you make changes here, it will automatically change them on your page. So that's it. It is that simple to create a web form on any email platform. and put it into the funnel builder. This is one of the things I love about the HBA Funnel Builder because it integrates with any autoresponder at all using web forms and just makes it super simple. So regardless of what autoresponder platform you're using, you can use this funnel builder. If you want more information about the HBA Funnel Builder, I love this platform. I swear by it, and it's awesome. It's much more cost effective than the other ones on the market. It's only $25 a month, and that includes membership sites. If you want more information about it, I will put a link below this video, and you can go learn more about the HBA Funnel Builder. And be sure and leave me any questions that you have. You can leave the questions below. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.